reduction of carbonyl compound reaction is Clemmensen reduction. In Clemmensen reduction, the carbonyl functional group is turns to hydrocarbons. The carbonyl functional group is turns to hydrocarbon by heating of zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl. And for example, you take acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl. Now this aldehyde functional group is turns to hydrocarbon. Now this acetaldehyde is convert to ethane. Now you take acetone. Now acetone is treated with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl. That ketone functional group is turns to hydrocarbon. That means acetone is turns to propane. Acetone is turns to propane. Let us write the sortable mechanism of Clemmensen reduction. The sortable mechanism of Clemmensen reduction. Now the reactant is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. You take acetone. Now acetone is treated with concentrated HCl. That means in acidic medium. In acidic medium is gives H plus ions. Now oxygen having two lone pairs of electrons. One lone pair of electron is abstracting these H plus ions to convert oxonium ion. CH3, C double bond O, H. Oxygen carrying positive charge and CH3. Now this compound is treated with zinc metal. This compound is treated with zinc metal. This zinc metal is bonding with carbon. Okay, now listen. This compound is treated with zinc metal. This zinc metal is bonding with carbon. Immediately this double bond shifted to oxygen side. Oxygen positive charge are neutralized. The product is CH3C and OH and CH3, and new bond is formed in between carbon and zinc carrying positive charge. Now this compound is treated with 3 moles of chloride ions. This compound is treated with 3 moles of chloride ion. These 3 moles of chloride ions is reacted with zinc. The product is CH3, C, OH and CH3 and also zinc. Zinc is bonding with 3 chloride ions, and the charge of zinc is +2. Now listen, -3 to +1 is gives to -2. The charge of zinc is -2. Now again this compound is treated with another zinc metal. This zinc metal is bonding with chlorine atom. Immediately this bond shifted to zinc, and again one chlorine atom are eliminated. Now the product is CH3 and C, OH and CH3 and ZnCl. Zinc does not have any charge. And the last is ZnCl2. And listen, the ZnCl bond is, this compound is treated with in acidic medium. In acidic medium is gives H plus ions. Now also you know that oxygen having lone pair of electrons. One lone pair of electron is abstracting these H plus ions to convert oxonium ion. CH3C, OH2 and plus CH3 and ZnCl. Now this compound is involving in reaction. This ZnCl bond is shift towards to ZnC. Immediately water molecule are eliminated. The compound is CH3, C and again CH3, and carbon and zinc having bonding with double bond. Carbon and zinc is bonding with double bond. Now this compound is treated with one electrophile like H plus. Now the zinc bond is shifted to carbon side. This carbon carrying negative charge and zinc carrying positive charge. And in between two atoms, carbon having partially more electronegativity atom when compared than zinc. So then this bond is shifted towards the carbon side. This carbon is abstracting these H plus ions to form CH3C and H and Zn, that zinc having positive charge, and also CH3. Again this compound is treated with another electrophile H plus. Again this bond shift towards carbon side. This carbon carrying negative charge and this carbon is abstracting H plus ions to form CH3 and C H and also H CH3. The byproduct is Zn plus 2. Now you take ketone functional group containing acetone compound. Now acetone compound is treated with in acidic medium. Acidic medium is gives H plus ions. Now oxygen having two lone pairs of electron. One lone pair of electron is abstracting H plus ions. Now to convert oxynium ion. Now this compound is treated with zinc metal. The zinc metal is bonding with carbon. Immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. Oxygen positive charge are neutralized. Now this zinc having positive charge. Again this compound is treated with 3 moles of any nucleophiles like Cl minus chloride ion. This overall 3 chloride ions is reacted with zinc to form ZnCl3. Now zinc having plus 2 oxidation state. Immediately this overall compound is treated with another zinc metal. The zinc metal is abstracting this chlorine. Then this bond shifted to zinc. Immediately another chlorine are eliminated to the nullifying of zinc oxidation. Now by the elimination in the formation of ZnCl2. Now the product is CH3COH and ZnCl CH3. Again this compound is treated with in acidic medium. All acidic medium is gives H plus ions. Again lone pair of oxygen is abstracting and H plus ions to convert oxonium ions. Now ZnCl bond is shift towards ZnCa by the elimination of water molecule. The product is this one. We observe carbon and zinc is bonding with double bond. Again this compound is treated with H plus electrophile, and listen, in between two atoms, carbon having more electronegativity when compared than zinc. Then this bond is shift towards the carbon side. This carbon is abstracting H plus ions to form CH and zinc having positive charge. Then again this compound is treated with another electrophile H plus. Same mechanism is involving to observe propane. You observe propane product. By the product is Zn plus T is eliminated. Now another reduction of carbonyl compounds reaction is fourth one. Wolff-Kishner reduction or reduction with hydrazine and base. In this reduction, the carbonyl compound is stunts to hydrocarbons in presence of hydrazine and base. The solvent is ethylene glycol. Now let us take acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is treated with hydrazine. By the elimination of water molecule. By the elimination of water molecule, we observe acetaldehyde hydrazone. We observe acetaldehyde hydrazone. Now this acetaldehyde hydrazone when treated with any base like potassium hydroxide by the elimination of nitrogen gas to form ethane. Ethane is one of the hydrocarbon functional group. Now you take ketone. Now ketone is treated with hydrazine by the elimination of water molecule. We observe acetone hydrazone. Now this acetone hydrazone on involving in further reaction by using potassium hydroxide base by the elimination of N2 gas, the product is propane. Let us write the suitable mechanism of Wolff-Kieser reduction. The reactant is acetone. Now acetone is treated with hydrazine by the elimination of water molecule. The product is acetone hydrazine. CH3C double bond NH2. Now these are, you take acetone, the product is acetone hydrazone. Now this acetone hydrazone is involving in further reaction by using potassium hydroxide. Now the ionization of potassium hydroxide K plus and OH minus. This OH minus is abstracting. This H plus ions. Immediately this NH bond is shifted towards nitrogen side. This nitrogen carrying negative charge. The product is CH3 double bond NH minus. Now this negative charge is involving in reaction. We observe carbanium ion CH3 and single bond with nitrogen and double bond NH. This carbon carrying negative charge. Now this compound on involving in hydrolysis. Now H2O gives H plus ions. Now this carbanium ion is abstracting these H plus ions to convert CH3 and CH3 and H N double bond NH. And again this compound is treated with base. Base gives OH minus. This OH minus is abstracting this H plus ion. This bond shifted to nitrogen. Immediately this CN bond is shifted towards carbon side by the elimination of N2 gas. The product is CH3 and CH, and this carbon is bonding with another methyl group, and this carbon carrying negative charge. The product is N triple bond N. N triple bond N means N2 gas. Now this compound on involving in hydrolysis. The C minus is abstracting these H plus ions to convert CH2. The product name is propane. You take acetone. That means ketone functional group and treated with hydrazine in the presence of base. The product name is hydrocarbons like propane. The another reduction of carbonyl compound is fifth one, catalytic reduction. In catalytic reduction, carbonyl compounds and reduction in the presence of nickel catalyst to form alcohols. And you take acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde are involving in reduction in presence of nickel catalyst to form primary alcohol. That means one double bond is involving in reaction by adding two hydrogens, and oxygen is adding with one hydrogen and carbon also adding with one hydrogen. Now this name is primary alcohol. The common name of this compound is ethanol. Now ketone is reduction with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst to form secondary alcohol. Again, this double bond of one bond is involving in reduction by adding two hydrogens. This oxygen is adding it with one hydrogen and carbon is adding it one hydrogen to form secondary alcohol. The common name of this compound is isopropanol. Isopropanol. The reduction of carbonyl compounds are over. Thank you for listening.